Most teenagers stay skinny forever. And when you get older, when you become like 23, you won't get any girls because you're scrawny and skinny. Sure, you might get some girl attention right now, and you might get some girls right now because you're lean, you're skinny, you've got abs. But in the future, you won't. So watch this video in order for you to prepare yourself for the future. And once you get more muscles, you'll get more girls. Every 10 pounds of muscles you gain is 10 extra matches per day on Tinder. Trust me, because I gained 10 pounds today and I got fucking 30 new matches. No, I'm joking. I didn't get 30 new matches today. Yesterday I got sent an arse pic on a Tinder. Not on Tinder, on a dating app, but because I got banned on Tinder. But don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So, in my opinion, the ectomorph, mesomorph, the fucking like body types, I think they're all copes. I don't think you can actually be a mesomorph or a fucking octomorph or an octopus. I think they're all copes. Why? I don't know. I just think it's propaganda to make yourself believe that you're this type of person, so you have to stay this type of person forever, bro. I know people that were like 60 kg and they bulked all the way to 100 kg. Yes, they used steroids and shit, but look, he was an ectomorph and then he was like the fucking mesomorph, whatever you call it. I don't even know the scientific words for it because I'm just a gym bro. And you shouldn't trust whatever I'm saying in this video because I'm not a scientist, I'm not a fucking doctor, but I'm a jacked 17-year-old and I was fat as fuck and now I'm jacked. And I get hella goals from just being jacked and from my true self because I don't lie, I'm not scared to speak the truth and I'm not scared to disagree with a woman. So yeah, simple answer why you're skinny is because you're not eating enough food. But like, oh my god, what the fuck? I didn't know that. Obviously you did, but that's just the simple answer. So, the way you actually gain size and fat, whatever you want to gain, is by being consistent. Not for 1 month, not for 3 months, but bro, for years. Because think about it. You're not going to be a 10 out of 10 jacked person in 3 months, are you? Even if you train optimally, you push every single set to failure, and you push it past failure, and you also, I don't know, gain fucking 30 kg, whatever. You're not going to become jacked in just 3 months, but you will become jacked in like 2 to 5 years, right? Maybe even 10, depends how consistent you are and your habits and your lifestyle and your testosterone and every other thing that's considered into building muscle. So obviously speaking, you're going to have to be consistent, not only in eating food, but in the gym, because when you go to the gym, that's when you actually gain muscle. You can't just gain muscle unless you're taking testosterone, right? Then it's doable, but you can't gain muscle from just eating food and sleeping, can you? The like 80-20 rule is like 20% of your actions give you 80% of the rewards, right? So for gaining muscle, 20% of it is literally just gym and eat. But without the gym, you won't gain muscle. So technically the 20% is just going to the gym and training all your sets till failure. Right? That's how you're actually going to gain muscle. So you have to be consistent in not only eating food, but going to the gym. And it's not going to be fast. It's not going to give you, you're not going to be jacked in 2 weeks. Because if you was, everyone would be jacked. Like, it's the same way as making money, bro. Making money on the internet. Sure, you can go to a job and get paid weekly, daily, monthly, right? But when you start a business, you're not going to get results tomorrow or the day after. But you'll get results in like 2 years, 1 year, 3 years. Depends how much information you had before you started and how much you're willing to suffer. Same goes with building muscle and gaining size, bro. It just all depends on how much you're willing to suffer. If you're willing to give everything you've got, then sure, you can do it faster than fucking other people. But genetics still play a huge role because you could be fucking, I don't know, you can be massive, like 6'7", and it's going to be harder for you to gain size than if you're 4'11", you know? I hope no one watching this is 4'11", because if you are, you're probably so believed you can't get any girls and shit. But think about it, bro. Height doesn't even matter. There was this one guy on like TikTok, remember him? He was like black, and he's like this tall. Okay, maybe like this tall, right? And he got his dick sucked by some porn star, bro. Height is just coke, bro. You don't actually have to be like 6 foot to get girls. All you need to do is be confident. All you need to do is be confident. It doesn't even matter if you're fat, if you're ugly, if you're broke. You just have to be confident and fun. But yeah, this video is not about girls. Next week I'm going to start talking about girls because That's all you guys want. But for now, it's just how to gain types. Alright? There's a quick trick that you can do that Navy SEALs actually use when they're doing Hell Week. You know what Hell Week is? It's like, I don't know what Hell Week is, but like, I know what Hell Week is, but I don't know what Hell Week is. If you know what I'm trying to say. But there's this mental trick that they use, right? Well, there's actually two that I'm going to teach you. But for now, I'm going to teach you one. I will teach you the second one later in the video. But I actually have a course that you can buy. And it's literally like a step-by-step. It's literally just step-by-step on how you can build a 10 out of 10 body. And you get everything that you need to know. Just click the link in my bio. I forgot to tell you at the start of the video, so if you fucking made it this far, then just buy my course, bro. Just quit tomorrow. What does this mean? Well, think about it, bro. Just quit tomorrow. Do everything you have to do today just to quit tomorrow. And then tomorrow comes around and you say, quit tomorrow. Right? Because there's been countless of times where you're like, yeah, I'm going to quit today. Yeah, I'll just start it tomorrow. Fuck it, yeah, bro. I wanted to start the gym. I'll just start tomorrow. I'll start next week. Oh, yes, I'll start next week. Oh, I wanted to sign up to boxing. Oh, it's kind of scary. Fuck. I'll just start tomorrow. Bro, do the opposite. Do it today. I'm like, yeah, I'll just quit tomorrow. So that's what Navy SEALs do. Every single day, they do what they're required to do. Wake up at 6 a.m. Make their bed. Be grateful. And after, they're like, oh yeah, I'll just quit tomorrow. Then it comes around to tomorrow. And they're like, yeah, fuck it, I'll just quit tomorrow. And then tomorrow. And then tomorrow. And all you know, you've been consistent for a week. And then after the week, you're like, oh, fuck it, I'll just quit tomorrow. Then it's a week and 1 day. And you're consistent for a week and 1 day. All because of this mental hack. Because you'll quit tomorrow. This low-key should be the title. Nah, it shouldn't. This is just 1 point. Yeah. Just quit tomorrow is a thing. Yeah. Okay, so I've got notes on my laptop. Just don't worry about it. So, another step is, don't look at the big picture. What do you mean by this? Obviously you should look at the big picture as in like, yeah, I'm going to be jacked. I'm going to have a 10 out of 10 body. But don't look at it as in like, oh, I need to go through all of this just to get a reward. Don't look at it like this, because when people climb very high mountains like Mount Everest or K2, there's this saying, wait, my eyebrows are, yeah. There's this saying, they never look up at the summit. Why? And it's also like, when people run marathons, bro, they're like, whatever you do, do not think about the 30 miles ahead of you. Because that's when you look at the big picture, and that's when you start to fail. It's the same thing when you look up at Mount Everest at the peak. It's so far ahead. That's when you start to die. So, when people climb K2 or Mount Everest, what do? They look down and they look at the next step. And that's the same shit you should do when you're fucking going to the gym or just anything you do in life. Or for me, when it comes to making money from my business, right? I don't look at the big picture because yes, I'm going to have to record thousands of videos before I become a millionaire. But I just look at it 1 day at a time, 1 step at a time. All I have to do today, is record this video. Oh, that's fine. All I have to do today is go to the gym. Oh, that's fine. No, going to the gym is the big picture. I can look at the big picture because I've been consistent in the gym for years. But you can't. You're not at the level yet. You have to look at it 1 step at a time. Or the days when you're not motivated to go to the gym, look at it 1 step at a time. Oh, so what's the next step I need to do? Oh, well, it's probably take a cold shower before the gym so I can boost my testosterone when I go to the gym. Yes, taking a cold shower before your workouts actually boosts testosterone. I'm not going to give you the study. Just trust my words. But the same goes for hitting legs. So after the cold shower, what's your next step? Well, it's to put on your headphones, right? And listen to your gym music. And yeah, if you don't have gym music that you only play at the gym, you're doing something wrong. Because I have this playlist on my phone. It's called Gym. Like part 2, because I had a different one and it's arse. Well, it's not arse. It's just not me anymore. Right now I have a different playlist, right? And as soon as I hear the music, I'm like, oh, I want to work out. As soon as I hear the music, bro, I just start doing push-ups. Because my body is trained to work out to this music, and therefore when I hear the music, I work out. But yeah, that's your next step, put in the headphones. And then the step after that is to pack your bag for the gym. Get a towel, get some water. I don't know what else you bring to the gym. Clothes to change, deodorant. Make sure you get like aluminium-free deodorant because it saves your testosterone. Get all natural things because it saves testosterone. Trust me, bro. You don't want plastic or aluminium inside you. But yeah, this is not the video for that. So yeah, look at it one step at a time. Another trick that I can give you is tell your parents you want to bulk up. Have a conversation with them that, yes, I want to get jacked. I want to do this, I want to do that, etc. Then, one, they stop looking at you like you're a child. Two, they know how to help you. Tell your mum you want to bulk up. So you cook me more food, bitch. I'm joking, never call your mum a bitch. I mean, unless you want to. I mean, okay, it's your life, not mine. I wouldn't recommend it because if I called my mum a... I don't even know what would happen. Yeah, but just tell your parents you want to bulk up, so they should cook you more food. And if they don't let you, then fuck it, like you're just cooked. So then you're gonna have to cook for yourself, which is not actually that hard. It's not hard to cook for yourself. If you can't cook for yourself, then just try tomorrow or today. Yeah, just try cook some fucking chicken breast or some eggs. It's not hard to trust. But yeah, tell your parents you want to bulk up, and tell them that you like. Tell them that you want to go shopping with them, like food shopping, so you tell them what you want to bulk up, and like the food that you like that's healthy, not fucking Doritos, because they cause cancer. But yeah, just tell them what you want to get from the shops, and then they will hopefully buy it for you, like in the future once they know what you want, because your parents are good, right? Hopefully, like your parents like actually respect you and they want you to bulk up, because mine do, and I'm grateful for that. Yeah, and just say you want extra food, extra meat, just extra food, yeah, just extra food. And if you're willing to suffer everything, then here's the way that I gained. I lost 2 kilograms. I gained a lot of muscle, and my bench press went from 105 to 115 kg in like 2 months or a month. So the way that I did this was by eating 30 eggs per day and 1 kilo of chicken breast. But I think it's just mainly because of the 30 eggs per day. I don't think the chicken breast has anything to do with that. But if you're willing to suffer and you're willing to give everything you have, eat 30 eggs per day. And with that note, Bartholomew, that's not my name, Bartosz is out. And yeah, just buy my course. I will teach you how to get jacked, like a 10 out of 10 jacked, and how to fuck bitches so they get addicted. And soon I'm gonna make a course how you actually get bitches, because I had this thinking, like, what's the point of me teaching someone how to fuck bitches very good if they don't even have bitches? It's like teaching a 9-to-5 person how to fuck to drive a Lambo or how to buy a Lambo. Like, it just don't make sense. So for you virgin ass, soon I'm gonna have a course on how to get bitches. So if you want to fucking join, so it's cheaper, join now, because it's a pre-sale. It's 49 bucks at the time of recording this video. Obviously you may see this in like 3 years and it's a fucking completely different price. Maybe the product doesn't even exist and I have a completely different digital product. But in that case, just join now so you can get the fucking course on how to get bitches before it's even made. No, so you can join and reserve your spot so you can have the course like as soon as it drops, so you're ready for it. And with that fact going in the way, join the course, bro. You'll get jacked, you'll learn how to get bitches, and you'll learn how to fuck bitches so good that they never leave you. And bro, this literally happened to me. Pretty much, I fucked a bitch so good, like she had a boyfriend, and 3 months later, yeah, something like that, 3 months, 4 months later, she messages me, I want to fuck. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm not here to fuck you, am I? And then she convinced me to fuck her. I fucked her, and I never spoke to her ever again, and she has a loving boyfriend. Peace.